Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating in the Home Tweet Home that is being co-hosted by two lovely ladies from Junker Necker and Indie Annie Jones. In this collaboration, they're asking for us to share a bird cage or a birdhouse, an upcycle, or to make your own birdcage or birdhouse, or decorate your birdhouse or bird cage. And in this case, I decided just to decorate a bird cage that I had at home in my China hutch. I also had an apothecary jar that I had made for Halloween one year, and I decided to use that blackbird and whatever was in that jar. This is how I decorated my little bird cage with my little black bird, and it's a motion sensor bird, and I think it is adorable. I think blackbirds are lucky. In fact, if I see a blackbird, I tell him all my problems so that he'll take them away. And that's something that my mom taught us, that if you see blackbirds, call them and tell them to help you. And tell them your worries, and they'll take your worries with them. This has the motion sensor in it, but I'll be putting the tab back into it because it scares everybody around the house because they're not expecting it, and then all of a sudden they think a bird is inside the house, and it scares them, especially in the middle of the night when you get up to use the restroom. But look how adorable. This is the back. You can see the feathers that are sticking out of the bird cage. These are all items that I had already on hand. This didn't cost me a cent. Even though this is a gold bird cage, I don't want my blackbird to feel that he is not free to fly away. I'll be leaving the door open so that he can come and go as he wishes. I would like to thank Leah and Annie for co-hosting this collaboration. I'll be linking below their channels and also the playlist to the collaboration. If you like my video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.